Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Jess, and in today's video we're doing a full face of designer brands makeup. Excuse the redness happening, just washed my face, that's what happens, but foundation will help. Makeup always helps. If not, we've got a problem, but anyway. We're diving on into testing out a full face of makeup by designer brands. I've got new and old products. I didn't have eyebrow products, so I've just kind of like done my own thing. That was the only thing that I did not have, but the rest is all designer brands. Let's get started. And for a while, it's the Blur Skin Perfector 3-in-1 Miracle something miracle. I can't read it now because the packaging has gone all weird. It's a primer. This is what it looks like. It's just like a silicone-y primer. Look where my pores are. As you can see, I've got breakouts happening still. Cystic acne always takes forever to recover on me. It's a very hydrating primer. This was also a whole product that was a free gift with when you buy free things or whatever. So I've got this by designer brands. Zoomed you in. I've got their new designer brand brushes to try as well. I'm going to take peachy colour under here and then the green to try and counteract some of the redness. This stuff is pigmented. It's also really creamy. I think they've repackaged. I'm just using the designer brands double-ended brush. I haven't got my concealer brush with me, but this one will do. I'm going to take that green. It does blend out well. I do like colour correcting with this. Tried a couple of colour correcting palettes like the Australis one. This one is more creamy, so I want to get the new one that designer brands have. It's toned down, I think, the redness, which is good. I've got the old foundation. I do have the new one as well, but I'm going to give this one a go because I've nearly actually finished it. So this is the oil-free foundation, the radiant coverage one. It's a full coverage foundation, doesn't go cakey. The other thing I don't have is a concealer, but I'm just going to use the foundation like a concealer. I haven't tried these brushes yet. I just washed them up last night. They washed up really well. There's no shedding. This is their foundation buffing brush. It helps with the coverage. I think it's a really soft brush. blends out really easily. Done a good job though, there's no streaks. That's what it's looking like with the foundation all blended out. It's really nice, like it looks like it's skin. I'm going to use this to set the powder. It's really old, but I collect makeup, I collect designer brands makeup. This is probably about 2 years old, and it's the Pro Contour kit. I still use it, it's still a really good palette. So I'm going to take the powder brush and I'm going to go in with the banana shade. These feel really soft. They're not as dense as the rose gold ones that they had last year, but they still feel really soft. Let's set the under eye. I'm going to take the matte cream colour shade and just set the rest of my face. You don't need much. And I'm not looking as dewy, but you can still see the radiant glow from the foundation, which I like. And primer. It's really smooth. I know I have to set, but I always do this. So far I've used the top 3 to help set my face. And the Red Carpet Ready palette, which is part of their limited edition Christmas holiday collection. And then I've also got the 3 eye brushes from the new brush set. So I'm just going to take the deluxe blending one, which is that one, and I'm going to pick up that just to help further set my eyes. Right. Picks up well. Right, and then going in with I've already used this palette a couple of times. I know I love it, but it's sold out online. I think some chemists might still have it. These brushes are really soft. I'm not going to do anything too crazy, but I'm just going to create a look. Okay, so to deepen up that crease a little bit, that one. You pick up really well on the brushes. There's not been any fallout, and they blend really easily. Not patchy. Look how easy they blend with these brushes. That really pretty shimmer on the lid. Quite pigmented too, because I haven't had to use it wet. Blends out super smoothly. Inner corner highlight, I'm going to use that one. Shimmers are really pigmented. And then I'm just going to use that matte on the brow bone. using the Falls and Flares mascara. Use the Beyond Amplifying Fiber Duo. Not bad for a fiber mascara. A bit clumpy and messy looking, but will do the job. So make it to your makeup palette to contour with, I guess. Or I could use the other. No, I'm gonna go with this one, I think. They're really nice and soft. They do blend out really well. The brushes, I mean. This is what we're looking like so far. I'm not hating it. It's actually not a bad everyday kind of look. I'm going to highlight, even though I'm looking quite radiant with that foundation. The new Blush Up Complexion palette, which is beautiful, and I've got those three to choose from. I'm going to go in with the middle one because I haven't used that one yet. Oop. Take me turn. Pretty though. I like that colour, although you have to go really light-handedly with it. I do like that colour a lot. It's not like garish, but it's pretty. So for highlighting, we are going to be using the Vivid Glow Illuminating Palette. How pretty is that packaging? Taking the fan brush, this is what there it is. That's pretty. I've just taken that gold champagne colour. That's a really pretty highlight. A really pretty highlight there. This one in the shade Classic Mauve. Finished look, I think it's a really pretty look, and you can amp it up like to make it more nighttime appropriate, but it's a really pretty look. Let me know in the comments if you like these kind of full face of one brand videos. Let me know what you want me to try next. Don't forget to thumbs it up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.